Hi guys, my name is Anna and today I'm going to interview two girls for the Hansemek. They're called Martha and Geraldine Bernasconi. They both study arts, media and culture at the RAG and are currently busy with their graduation project. It is called the Assembler Platform, and today they're going to talk more about it as well as share some insights about the upcoming online event. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
Hi.
Maybe Martha wants to start talking about how did it start?
Yeah, so the Assembler platform, we created this as our final university project for our graduation year. So we're both in third year, and first our task was to do a day festival, basically a live event, somewhere here in Groningen where we can sell tickets and invite all of our friends. However, due to Corona, that's not possible anymore and also not allowed. We kind of had to find a new alternative, and we came up with the Assembler platform, which is a website where we now showcase local DJs or artists from Groningen to the rest of our online friends, or whoever wants to take a look at it can now, and can also take part in the live event on the 5th of June.
Okay, nice. And Geraldine, maybe you want to say something what the platform is about.
I mean, as Martha already said, it's about showcasing the local musicians and artists who are how do I say this? Who work a lot with DIY and do a lot of the music themselves, and are very active in creating themselves instead of being part of a professional environment, I guess. And now on this platform, we introduce them, we interview them, we have workshops with them where they just talk about what the situation is right now with Corona, with how their creating process is during this time, and the financial aspects of not having income as artists and stuff like that. And yes, there will also be a live stream, as Martha already said, on the 5th of June.
Okay, what unexpected difficulties did you have to deal with since the start?
Well, I think the main thing was communication, first and foremost, especially in the beginning, because we're a class of 25 people.
Oh.
So deciding on things was a big challenge, starting with the concept and what we want this event to be. And then Corona came and we had to change the whole thing from a live event to an online platform, basically, which then again came with this whole entire own set of decisions to make as a big group. And I think that was the biggest challenge, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and how did you manage to make decisions and stuff? Because you said it was really hard. How did you manage to overcome this difficulty?
Well, we were divided into 4 groups, the 25 people, and of those 4 groups, we each have a main person, so to say, and those main persons amongst themselves discuss most of what's happening, and then they tell us. So it's filtered down from the top, basically. So that helped.
Okay. What can we expect from the event, Martha?
Yeah, so at the event, which will happen on the 5th of June, we will mostly have some of our core artists, but we will not only feature artists from Groningen, but also feature artists from our study. But mostly it's not only our study, but also we have people from the Hanse. So we focus really on just international students as well from Groningen. So we have a wide variety of artists. And we also have an interview with someone who's currently working in the productions of normal events like Eurosonic, or he also helps the NNT, but he was previously studying our study as well, so he's kind of an alum, and we will interview him in between the live stream as well, just to give more information about how he's handling the Corona time. And that's about it. We hope we'll have a lot of music and a lot of viewers that will enjoy the music and maybe dance in front of their screens with us.
Oh yeah, that would be great. Okay, then I have one last question for you. What do you think will the platform look like in the future? Will it be used more? Do you have any plans for that?
So as of now, we're taking this step by step because it is a lot of planning. It's a lot of learning for us as well, because the Rug is not so practical orientated like the Hans is, for example. So we'll really, using this as our learning experience to have some practical things that we can use for our future careers as well. So that's our main focus as of now. And then we can take this learning experience with us to our future careers, wherever it might take us.
Okay. And do you think that the platform has any future in specific?
Well, so far we haven't really discussed this with any of our groups. I can imagine that maybe some of the students that study with us might enjoy continuing this program, but we haven't really thought about that yet because we're still in all of our preparations for the live event.
Okay, good then.